Good afternoon. This is here we can see the combined cycle power plant data prediction project where answers and implementation for the steps from 1 to 5 are given here. First I will go from here data set, which is a CCPP data provided in CSV format. Here we can see the target variable is PE, net hourly electrical energy output. First I will introduce you the steps. First step is machine learning approach and metric. Here the problem type is supervised learning and regression. Since we have the continuous target variable PE, we are using regression. The evaluation metrics primary are RMCE, root mean squared error. Secondary is R square score. Step 2. Step 2s are features and algorithms. Features use AT temperature, AP ambient pressure, RH relative humidity, V exhaust vacuum. Algorithms compared linear regression, random forest regression. Step 3. Data splitting and validation strategy. Train test split 80% into 20%. Validation strategy is 5-fold cross validation on training set. Step 4. Model comparison. Compare models using cross validated RMCE, again the root mean squared error. Select model with lowest average RMCE. And then step 5, that is the final evaluation. Train base model, all full training data. Evaluate on test set using RMSE, MAE and R square. Here I will explain the code as well and the output. We imported pandas, numpy, sklearn libraries from Python, and from sklearn we select a model selection, train test split data, cross validation, pipeline, pre-processing, linear model ensemble methods, metrics as mean squared error, MAE, that is mean absolute error, and R square score. We load the data, read the CSV file from pandas, data shape, that is how much columns and rows we have. Rows we have 9568, columns are 5. Columns list are given below: IT, V, AP, RH and PE. We selected first 4 rows for head. Now we split it into X variable and Y variable. In the X variable, data frame is split into AT, AP, RH and VE columns. In the Y it is only PE. We split the data set into 80 by 20. Keep the random state as 42. We measure the length. The training samples is 7654. Testing set is 1914. Then we run the validation strategy, that is cross validation k-fold, splits into 5, shuffle true. We kept it shuffling, and we kept 2 models in the pipeline. First is standard scale, linear regression, and then first linear regression. Here we cross validated score, and the score is, we can see linear regression mean RMC is 4.5.7. We again ran second model, that is random forest regressor, and we got it 3.44. so best model is the lowest one in the RMSE, that is random forest 3.44. so final test results are as follows: random forest regressor, RMSE is 3.2298, MAE is 2.3148, and R square is 0.964. Feature importance, we can see the AT feature got highest 0.90, then V, AP and RH. That's it from my side. Thank you.